How to fix Stumble Guys Play Store on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Stumble Guys Play Store on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again, and here type Stumble Guys and here you will find it. Click on it and click for stop, and then click storage and clear cache, not data, clear cache, and then go back and type here Play Store, Google Play Store, and that's it. Click for stop also, and then go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem will be fixed. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.